Oh, Brenda,
Biscuits?
you are
Wow.
an angel.
Oh,
Excuse the
boy.
mess. We had to block the back door after a walker got upstairs. Don't worry. That was a while ago and ain't been back inside since.
Everybody sit down. I'll go get the meal. Oh, this is a delight.
I could eat a horse.
Where's Mark?
Now, don't you worry about him. I've already brought some food up. You just let him rest.
Mind if I wash my hands first?
Bathroom's right outside in the hall. And be sure to get under your nails. You've been mucking around in the dirt all day.
Danny's baseball trophy. Seems like it's been years since kids were playing sports.
Es ist
for fun.
mir und übrigens das Hallo zusammen. Neuer Part The Walking Dead.
Walkers aren't getting through that thing.
Ah, guckst du?
I could use a shave. Some kind of lotion.
Ah, was ist da aber noch?
Gauze pads.
Okay. Jetzt muss ich da hochschleichen. Oh, was ist da? Warte mal auf.
What do they need so much morphine for?
Morphin.
Candles. Smart. I guess someone needed some first aid recently. Musty as hell. Ugh, what is this stuff? Looks like a bunch of medical waste in here. IV tubes, saline. What would dairy farmers need with this kind of stuff?
Das mal zusammenbinden da.
What the hell? Ugh, what is this stuff? Looks like a bunch of medical waste in here. IV tubes, saline. What would dairy farmers need with this kind of stuff?
Ja.
Where is that cord going?
Aber nicht dahinter irgendwie. Ah. Was ist da innen? Du? Oh, Blutspuren, oder was?
Is that blood? Farm books, cookbooks. Nothing out of the ordinary here.
Oh. Aha. Uff. Oh, Mann.
Mark! What the hell happened?
Mark, du Scheiße.
Brothers,
What the hell happened to your legs, man?
don't eat dinner.
Die ziet...
Clementine.
Oh, die ziet tatsächlich een minuut kochen dan. Wie meinst du? Ja, nimm das gleich, komm.
Clementine, no!
Lee.
No.
Lee, Jesus, man. Did you find something? Oh, sit your ass down, Lee. This lady has made you a meal.
Yeah, Lee, what's gotten into you?
He just had a start.
He could use some goddamn manners.
It didn't have to be this way.
You're eating human meat!
That's crazy.
What the hell? Ah, scaring the kids, Lee.
Lee, what the hell is wrong with you?
Don't indulge him, Lily. There's always something with this guy.
Ja, toch hoor een
Eating that.
What is going on?
They're picking us off to trade as meat!
You're out of your skull.
Mark is upstairs right now with no legs! Brenda, tell me he's not being eaten right now.
Scheiße.
It's true.
Everything could have turned out okay for you folks.
He would have died anyway. We gotta think about living.
Settle down, honey. Growing up in rural Georgia, you're taught not to waste. It's how I was raised and how I raised my boys. Now, you got monsters roaming around that do nothing but eat people. And for what? To continue to rot till they eat some more. We think we can put that meat to better use.
Oh, I'm gonna puke.
You're all sick. Sick in the head!
Lee, that's not a very nice thing to imply. Andy is right. We go after folks who were gonna die anyways, one way or another.
Like y'all.
Clementine, run!
Nobody's going anywhere.
We got lots of use for y'all right here.
What the fuck? The fucking what?
Put your guns down! We're walking out of
Go
here!
near my fucking family.
I don't want to die. Mommy, what did I eat?
We're screwed.
Lee? Lee?
Let go of her, you son of a bitch!
Open the goddamn door! You can't keep us in here! Open up! I will tear you fuckers apart with my bare hands!
We gotta find another way out of here.
You sick fucking bastards! Open this door, god damn it! I will knock the goddamn
Dad,
door down!
stop.
It was a person. I ate meat from a person. Does that mean I'm gonna turn into...
No, Clem, it doesn't work like that.
If he would have stopped us in time!
Come on, Dad. Now's not the time.
Oh. Als hij nou nog...
You okay, Clementine? They didn't hurt you, did they?
Open up!
Lee, those psychos have my family, and we're stuck in a damn meat locker. We gotta get the fuck out of here.
This goddamn film sucker was the one who brought us here!
You all just shut the fuck up?
Met die
I'm scared.
Don't be. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna find us a way out of here.
You're worse than
Hey,
the walk.
hey, sorry, aber dat zie ik man, die even met de Larry. Ik zie man,
I'll
even met
rip
haar.
your goddamn heads off and make you swallow them!
Is dat?
Come on! Show yourself! Fucking cowards!
Dad!
I'll break that damn door down!
Dad, you can't get... Easy! Oh God, he stopped breathing. I think he's had a heart attack.
Shit. Is he dead?
He's not dead! Somebody help me!
Fuck. If he's dead...
He's not dead!
It has to happen, Lee. Think about it. You saw that poor bastard at the motel? How fast he turned?
What are you saying?
Lily, I'm sorry. I truly am. But in a few minutes, we're gonna be stuck in a locked room with a 6'4", 300-pound, seriously pissed off dead guy.
Fuck you! We can bring him back! Lee!
We'll mourn him later. But right now, we have to keep him from coming back.
No! God damn it, Kenny! He's not dead!
Oh.
Lily can still save him.
I wish she could, believe me, I do. But that man is dead. You both know what happens next.
Look, Kenny, back at the drugstore when we all thought Duck was bitten, I gave him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe we should do the same now.
That was different. Duck wasn't bitten. But come on, we know this guy's not gonna make it. Remember what Ben said. Gotta destroy the brain. Come on, Lee. You can't be in the middle on this one. You gotta have my back this time.
God damn it, Lee! I need you! Please help me! Come on, Dad. Come on. Wake up. Wake up!
Nee.
Come on.
Nee, Kenny.
This has happened.
You're useless, Lee!
No!
You asshole!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It had to be done.
I'm sorry.
Scheiße.
Are you okay?
Is it over?
Yes, for now. But we still need to find a way out of here.
Oh, Schatzi.
I know. But you gotta be strong right now. I need you to be strong. Think about something else, something
Oh,
hopeful.
Mann.
Like what?
Someplace safe where no monsters can get you.
We're gonna get out, right? You found a way out?
Ja, Schatzi.
I'm working on it.
Ja, Schatzi, Bernie.
I know it was necessary, but I just wish Clem didn't have to witness shit like this. I worry what it's gonna do to her.
Logisch. Mit dem Kennrennen. Komm, Kenny, komm.
I don't want to hear it, Lee. You think I like doing what I did? I'm the guy who couldn't bear to watch the family dog get put down. But if we want to survive this shit, we gotta have the balls to do the hard thing. Or at least one of us has got to.
Wir müssen zusammenarbeiten. Kenny.
Look, if we're gonna survive this shit, we got to work together. How do you expect Lily to work with us after what she just saw you do?
If she wants to live, she'll work with us. If she doesn't, then the hell with her.
I'm sorry, Lily.
He was still alive, Lee. He was still alive.
I'm sorry, Lily. I truly am. Larry and me, we might not have got along so great, but I know he would have done anything to protect you. He was a good father.
Please. I need to be alone.
God knows you deserve time to grieve, Lily.
Okay. Wo ist denn jetzt mal? Oh, Scheiße, ist emotional da jetzt, Moment.
I know it was necessary, but I just wish Clem didn't have to witness shit like this. I worry what it's gonna do to her.
Was jetzt?
What now?
What? You don't want to hang me up on a meat hook and leave me to rot?
What I want isn't important. What I know is there's safety in numbers.
You got any ideas?
The air conditioner.
Ja, ska vi gå rätt. Open. Internet.
There ought to be an air duct behind this unit. Maybe big enough for one of us to fit through.
Does the air conditioner come off?
I think I could take it off if I had something to remove the screws. The multi-tool. Of course they took it. Shit.
Maybe there's something else we could use. I've got a rock.
Ah, a rock won't help. But a coin might do the trick. Do you have a coin?
Close. Close. Uitgaan.
It's not coming off that way. It's not coming off that way.
Das geht nicht, hä? Ja, muss ich Münze haben.
I'm sorry, Lily.
Irgendwie muss ich eine Münze finden.
Listen, I need a coin or something. It's important. It could get us out of here.
Well, I got nothing.
Auto.
I know it was necessary, but I just wish Clem didn't have to witness shit like this. I worry what it's gonna do to
Vielleicht
her.
muss ich mit MrGugerli reden. Mit Lily. Dumme Touch. Carly, Lily.
Please. I need to be alone.
God knows you deserve time to grieve, Lily. But if we're gonna get out of here, we need your help. And Larry's. I think I may have found a way out of here. But I need something to remove the screws on the air conditioner. If you have something I could use as a screwdriver, a coin or something.
No.
What about him? Look, I know this is a terrible time for it, but back at the motor inn, Larry mentioned something about keeping coins in his pockets.
What do you want? My blessing to loot his corpse?
Your permission.
Do what you have to do.
Oh, boy. Any idea which pocket he keeps his change in? Here we go. 2 quarters. And a dime. Just gotta remove these screws and get this unit off. It's not coming off that way.
Hurry the fuck up, Lee. We don't have all day here.
Ouch, no way. Hat die fast gesehen.
There's our way out, Lee.
Clementine can fit through.
Looks like it'll probably lead right into that back room.
You think you can do this?
I'm scared.
It's okay to be scared.
We need you, Clementine.
Okay.
Komm durch Aufstoß. Okay.
You're gonna be fine.
What do I do when I get out?
See if you can get to the other side of that door and open it. See you.
No, but there's a man outside.
Where the hell are you going?
What do you care?
Kenny! Lily, I'm sorry. We gotta go.
I know. I just need a minute to say goodbye. Hey, we're good. Okay?
Yeah, this is good.
Shit, he's gonna get us all killed. Stay here. Take care of Lily, okay?
I will.
Oh.
There was something up with this room. It's a goddamn human slaughterhouse.
Jesus. This is where they butcher people.
Sick bastards. All of them.
Scheiße.
Oh my God, what's wrong with these people? Ugh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Oh, was ist das? Ah.
Jesus, this is where they butcher people.
Sick bastards. All of them.